Hello, welcome to Jasmine and Liriope Cutback. My name is Osbaldo, corporate trainer here at Southern Botanical, and today we'll be demonstrating the correct procedure on how to do a cutback on ground cover. Asian Jasmine and Liriope are commonly used ground covers found out through commercial and residential properties. If you're unfamiliar with these ground covers, please consult with your direct supervisor for further guidance. So, when do we perform cutbacks? Cutbacks are done in late winter into mid-spring, right before the new growth. It's an important practice that needs to be done for the plant's well-being. Why do we perform cutbacks? Cutbacks are performed to remove old foliage, control plant size, and encourage new growth in the upcoming season. So let's get started. So before we begin, let's ensure we have all our proper PPE on, also known as personal protective equipment. As you can see, you would need eye protection, hearing protection, and gloves. Equipment required for this task is a mower, hand shears, a yard bag, and a leaf rake. A string trimmer can be used for detailed work. Now that we are ready, let us begin. Remember to check your oil levels on your mower. Checking your fuel tank to make sure you have the appropriate gas in the tank. Using regular fuel in the red gas tank in your fleet. Setting your mower at the appropriate height. Your supervisor will determine the height of the mower depending on the material's condition. Now that we're ready, don't forget to use your choke to turn your machine on. Pulling the start string. Remember, the first thing you have to do is police the area for any obstacles like irrigation, lighting, or steel edging. Use markers of some type. For example, irrigation flags. Remember to increase your productivity by first distinguishing the size of the area and the ground cover. For example, in larger areas, you should use a mower versus using a string trimmer. Other ideas, like using a tarp versus a yard bag, speeds up the cleanup process to make decisions that are productive and efficient. A string trimmer should be used for detailed work, such as the edges and obstacles that were found before beginning. During the cutback process, remember to empty out your mower catch onto a tarp. When collecting debris and disposing of it, remember to use safe lifting practices. Upon completing, remember to blow off any debris that was left over on fixtures or sidewalks. This concludes our Liriope and Asian Jasmine Cutback SOP. For additional questions or training, please consult with your direct supervisor. Thank you for watching. Till next time.